am wearing a sports bra. I am wearing a sports bra and pants. If anybody wants to see, I was wearing a sports bra and pants and I'm with two girlfriends of mine and I'm walking out here. I was wearing this and they're asking me to strip. This is what I was wearing. This is what I was wearing and walking out by myself with two of my friends and she came and tried to hit us. Wrong with them?
Sir, ad nodide sir.
Ad nodidra sir. Yen sir ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Hey, come dude. Guys, please help us. We were flowing, we were doing our hoop stuff here and now we have ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ and ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಇವಾಗ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಲಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ see this and we were flowing hoop he's just trying to get attention and do all this and she tried to hit us. We have video proof of her trying to hit us and it's wrong. This is wrong. People coming and telling trying to attack somebody just because they're doing something in public and dance like we're hoop flowing in public. This is just wrong. This is sir idu tappu sir he's talking about drugs and stuff which is not true he's trying to put us in the wrong. Sir you police bandidira I want to you know what sir you have come ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೋ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಾಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಏನ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಾಕ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾ and pants. If anybody wants to see, I was wearing a sports bra and pants and I'm with two girlfriends of mine and I'm walking out here. I was wearing this and they're asking me to strip. This is what I was wearing and walking out by myself with two of my friends and she came and tried to hit us and now they're telling us we are wrong. Sir, tappu sir. And now they're talking about drugs just like that out of the blue. Just because ivaga kannada industry alli drugs ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ they're trying to talk about drugs and in the background they're trying to say Samita Hegde is doing drugs and shit. This is how people are. Andre now nam paadiಗೆ workout ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ and this is what is happening here. Coronavirus time and we are social distancing and this is what they are doing.
Social distancing alla ma ನೀನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೆನ್ಸಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಹೊಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಹೊಡಿಲೇಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗಾ ನಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Oh my god Can you hear this Nanga Naach she's talking so atrociously
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಷ್ಟವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್
ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ they tried to hit us and they're asking us to go. They're asking us to leave because they tried to hit us. They tried to hit us and they're asking us to leave. This is so wrong and he's trying to, just because I'm an actress, he's trying to defame me like this. They're trying to defame me like this. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. This is so wrong.
I want to file a case on you people.
We also want to file a case on you, ma'am. Ma'am, you file a case on us. No.
This place is not
secondary.
We'll go out. One second. Guys, everybody is asking us to solve the problem.
No. It's not a problem at all. You just make it a sentence, no regret and get out of here. Why you make a scene here?
They're trying to defame us and talk like this. Sorry, sir.
See, it happened. We cannot
See. We were hooping and this is what they're talking. Yes, of course, sir, we are listening.
ಆಯ್ತು ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ
Yeah, you know what? We'll go and we'll just talk outside. We'll just wait for Bharat. Yeah. We'll talk to the cops. Sir, banni sir, now aache maatadana please. They're just they're talking. I mean, you can check me. This is nonsense. Sir, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಸರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಇದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ನಮ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್? ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡಿ ಇವಳೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು? She tried that lady. 3,500 people are watching. Yeah, you can talk, please. Yeah, please listen to this.
They're stripping in the public.
Stripping. They're talking this stripping. Walking around in sports bra is stripping. This is how they. And that guy is stuck. That guy is stuck with saying this guy. ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. We're not going. Sir, social distancing. ನಾವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. We'll wait by ourselves. They're not even leaving us. They're just following us.
We're not letting you go. You have to come to the police station. Chalo to the station. Police station.
Stop screaming, ma'am.
Chalo, police station.
We'll go.
Indecent behavior in public.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಸರ್ ನೀವು? How they come in? They are my two friends. She tried to hit her. And we have it on video. We're showing it to the cops. And the cops are still taking their side. They're still supporting her. And they're asking us to leave. Wow.
They're coming to proper dress. They can't come to park also proper dress here.
These are allowed here.
This is so wrong. Forward thinking. I wore my pullover and came to this spot. There was nobody there. We were working out by ourselves. Once I finished my warm up, I took off my pullover, worked. We did our workout, and she came while we were doing our workout and she tried to attack us. She hit my friend just like that. This is and they're
ನೀವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇನೋ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್. Why can't we stand for what is right? Why can't we just stand for what is right?
I'm asking something.
Sir, why can't we stand for? Say 1 second. Why can't we stand for ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರೋ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು?
ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾವು ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
Indecent behavior in public.
Please ma'am, please talk properly.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬಂತು.
ಅವಾಗಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Please come, no. Just come.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
You can't touch me.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಈಗ
How do you go out? They've locked the gate. They've locked the gate so that we don't go out. And people are just following us like this. They've locked the gate. I hope you guys can see this. They've locked the gate so we can't go out.
ಬಾ
They've locked the gate. They have locked the gate, so we can't go out. Please.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
Sir, we'll do this. Now, sir, we are ready to talk to you. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು sir? ಇದು misbehaving ಅಲ್ವಾ sir? We are ready to talk to the cops, but
Not ready. You are coming to the police station. That's all.
yeah,
You
we.
are coming to the
Ma'am,
police
open the
station.
gate. They have locked us inside. They have locked us. They have locked us inside. They have locked us. He's opening the gate now. Open ಮಾಡಿ. Open ಮಾಡಿ. He's locked the gate. He's locked the gate. Somebody please help us. He's locked. Open ಮಾಡಿ. Lock.
These are the girls who are misbehaving in the Agrale.
Sir, you have seen us here. Sir, ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ.
And they are now panicking once the
I have
police
seen
came
these
out.
girls. They don't misbehave. They come. They do their exercise. I'm a doctor at Apollo. I'm a consultant. I have seen these girls. They have not misbehaved. They come. They do their exercise. They work out and they go. They have not misbehaved.
Sir, lock. They have locked us. Can you please open it? Open ಮಾಡಿ. Open ಮಾಡಿ. Sorry, we'll go. We'll open. They just like.
My view. This is my view.
Ma'am, this is.
Where is that boy?
ನಾನು. Sir, ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಇದು ಓಪನ್.
So he is a guard.
ಹಲೋ ಭರತ್. ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಕಿರಿಚ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಭರತ್. ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ. They have locked us inside. ಗೇಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜನ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಜನ ಲೈಕ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರೌಡಿಂಗ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಔಟ್. ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅದೇ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಟಾಕ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟು. I'm glad I went on this live. Otherwise, they would have said so many atrocious things that are not true. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಲೈವ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಡೀರಿ. ನಾನು
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
why is he's locking us? He's locking us. He's locking us. He's locking us. He's locking us.
Social distance, mama.
So, ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಸರ್, ಕೈ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇವಾಗ ಪೊಲೀಸ್
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, we'll only come out now. ರೆಡಿ ಇದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಡೋರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್
Wondering if I can sneak up.
ಸರ್, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಧರಣಿ
He just hit me. He just hit me. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. People have just surrounded.
Sir, ask all the men wearing shorts to leave, then they can leave.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you. ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಸರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಆಚೆ. Fuck. This is so wrong. ನಾವು ಹೂಪ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. And she just tried to come and hit us. What is this filter? ಆ ಲೇಡಿ, ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ವಿಲ್ ಟಾಕ್ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹೊರಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಸರಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಗಾಡಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸರ್ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪವನ್? ಗಿವ್ ಪವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. I have to stop the live. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನ್ಯೂಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡೇ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಗಾಡಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ವೈ ಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಹೊಯ್ಸಳ? ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್. ಸರಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್. ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಡೀತೀರಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ? ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಗಾಡಿ. ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. How did you come? ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಬನ್ನಿ. We just need a transport to go from here, man. Shit, I can call Pavan, but I'll have to stop the live. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Give me his number. Yeah, dude. 1 second. My dad will hit me. Let's just leave. You can't just leave now. Okay. Like now they are asking us. Bharat call. Pavan call. Pavan number idea. Bharat call ಮಾಡು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಕಮ್. We'll wait here. No, we'll wait here. We have done nothing wrong. No, we have done nothing wrong. Thank you, man. Thank you. There's some people at least who understand that it's wrong to call, to say something like this and do things like this. There are lady police here now. They are forcing us to go to the police. Oh, Pavan, he's on the other gate. I'll send him. You have message him on Instagram or something.
Excuse me.
What happened, Run sir?
Really give bite because they are giving the bite.
Run sir.
You are not interested.
Run sir. So it so happened that we were working out and this lady came and she tried to hit one of us. 3 girls. We were 3 girls working out by ourselves. We were flowing the hoop and she called it cabaret dancing. Called it ring dancing.
You need witness, you call me. I'm a doctor
Yeah.
at Apollo.
There you go. He's a doctor.
These girls are not misbehaving. They were doing their exercise on their own. They are fine. I don't see anything wrong. I don't know why they are being accused.
Yeah, this is just so wrong to plainly come and say that your clothes are wrong and you're doing cabaret dancing and this is ring dancing and cabaret dancing. And she tried to hit her and we have it on video. So